To start learning, just subscribe to our channel and access our free English lessons. Our lessons will help you communicate confidently in the most common professional situations.
Loose cannon.
Here's an example sentence.
James is a loose cannon and could not be risked in front of the press.
What do you think the correct meaning is?
Is it A, a risky strategy? Is it B, somebody who is socially awkward? Or is it C, a dangerously uncontrollable personal thing? The correct answer is C, a dangerously uncontrollable personal thing. So a loose cannon is an unpredictable personal thing, liable to cause damage if not kept in check by others. If someone is a loose cannon, they do whatever they want and nobody can predict what they're going to do next.
Here's an example.
It seems like a great team we have here.
It is, but just watch out for Barry. He's a loose cannon, especially when he's in a bad mood.
Listen and repeat.
Loose cannon.
Thanks for watching. To carry on learning business English, hit subscribe and turn on notifications and take our latest free lessons.